How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change note type in Anki. Now, from time to time, you might be having some problem or an error message will show up on the dashboard right here. Now, to change your note type, it's really simple. The first thing that you want to do is to press the B button on your keyboard, which will take us to another window. Basically, in here, we can browse our notes or our creations. In my case, I'm going to be changing this specific name or my close one. So right click on the file that you want to change the note type of. From here, click on notes. And then we have the ability to select the change note type. So just simply click on this option and then you will be able to adjust the text, the back text, and more. Now, after adjusting this the way you want to, you can also choose if you want to convert it into something like basic. And basically from there, click on save and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.